Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by opening your Google Ads account and declaring a measurable goal like leads or sales. This guides every choice you make. Once done, connect Analytics or GA4 so you can track user behavior and conversions. Make sure billing is set up to avoid interruptions. Then install the global site tag and at least one conversion tag on the conversion page so Google records outcomes. These steps turn setup into action and let you measure ROI from the very first click. Now build the campaign architecture. Create a campaign with the bidding strategy that matches your goal, maximize conversions for automation, manual CPC for control. Next, create tightly themed ad groups so keywords and ads align. This improves quality score and lowers cost per click. Add broad, phrase, and exact match variations and negative keywords to reduce waste. Write responsive search, ads with multiple headlines and descriptions so Google tests combinations. Finally, enable ad extension. You're ready to launch after setting daily budgets, locations, and ad schedule. Double-check audiences and ad rotations. Once live, monitor CTR, conversion rate, CPC, and CPA. These tell you what to tweak. Pause low-performing keywords, raise bids on high performers, and add negatives to cut spend. Run a /B tests on headlines and landing pages to improve conversion rate. If tracking looks wrong or conversions are missing, first verify your tags and analytics link. That single check fixes most data issues.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.